Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, professionals, sportsmen, scholars, students, officials and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Today we are going to discuss very important and crucial topic. What is that? Corporal punishment in any form should be banned. Corporal punishment is also the part of violence. Some says and some people believe that it is necessary to maintain law and order in the society. Laws are indispensable in providing a healthy environment in the society. Laws are reformative in their objective. Police performs the duty of enforcing laws and order. Fear of punishment has a great impact on preventing many people from committing crimes. The cops face the tough task of taking and tackling the criminals and making the society a good place to live in. In order to do all this, they sometimes get rash and resort to corporal punishment. I strongly support the idea that corporal punishment in any form, at any place, should be banned. Corporal punishment is physical punishment by a teacher to a student, police to the people, husband to the wife, master to the servant, etc. The police arrest the people on the suspicion that the person has committed some crime. The suspect, although innocent, is tortured so much that he or she becomes a hardened criminal. A student beaten again and again by the teacher becomes stubborn. In this way, corporal punishment becomes self-defeatist. It beats its own motive. It is often seen that a victim of corporal punishment becomes abnormal or deformed physically and mentally. In some cases, the victims are beaten up so mercilessly that the punishment leaves sears and or imprints on their minds. The scars are on the body may fade away with the passage of time, but not those of the mind. This type of punishment is no longer justified in any part of the globe. It is a replica of barbarism or savage culture. It means believing in the policy of tit for tat or tooth for tooth and nail for nail in the present democratic setup, such policies have to place no value. Law aims at reforming the breakers of laws, not at turning small offenders into hardened criminals. Exceptions are always there. There may be some exception of some hardcore criminals whose presence is a great threat to the survival of the society. In order to teach them a lesson, corporeal punishment may be required.